Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back with another video. How's everybody doing? So I figured I'd make a vlog today showing you something cool I just found in my car, which is where we're sitting right now. And it's this feature that it has that I've been meaning to use that I tried it the other day, and it was pretty cool. It's up here. Where is it? There we go. Focus. So it's this I button that you can see on the right side there, up on the ceiling. And what it does, it was pretty neat when I used it, is essentially what it can do is it like patches you through to this like concierge service, and they can kind of help you with really whatever you want. Like when I was setting it up, they were telling me like if you got kids, you know, like they'll read, you know, bedtime stories to you. Like I don't know who's doing that, but like they said they'll do that. They can make reservations, tell you where stuff is. They can like send directions over to this thing. Like if I switch it to navigation, where is, come on, get up there. There we go. You switch this to nav, and then like it comes through with the address. Like you do pretty much anything you want. And so what I did the other day is I was driving and I wanted to know, you know, because I was in heavy traffic, and I wanted to look up to see if a restaurant had mac and cheese, because I wanted to have mac and cheese. I was like, all right, let's just see, you know, because like I'm in heavy traffic, so like I can't go on my phone while I'm driving and look it up on the menu. But I figured, hey, let's try to see if this thing works, like if they can look it up for me. So I press the button, and then they just come on the car, like on the screen. It like lights up. Now, come on, focus again. There we go. Like it comes on over here. It says like connecting call, and then they come on, and you just, I said like I want to know if this restaurant's got mac and cheese. And they're like, oh sure, we'll look it up. And then they looked it up, and sure enough, they had it. And then they asked me if they wanted to, you know. They asked me if I wanted them to like order it, and then I can go pick it up. Like they'll just do it, they'll just get it for you when you just walk in and just pick it up. And I was in a rush, and I wasn't really, you know, doing it then, so I said, you know, no thanks. But I figured, like I'm just driving today, I figured, you know what? Why don't I just do that today? Why don't I just try it out today and just see what would happen if I actually try to have the car order food for me? And I'm gonna drive to the place. We're gonna get pizza. We're gonna go to Domino's. And we're gonna see if like when I get to Domino's and I go in to get the pizza, if this actually works and goes through and everything like that. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and press the button here and have them come on, and we'll see what happens. All right, so there it is right there. Go ahead and press that. All right, so that's blinking. Oh, here we go. See, there we go. It says connecting call. So I'll just wait to see what happens. So I guess it's got like a phone that it uses to do this. I don't really know. It's pretty neat though. Call connected.
You're connected to Embrace. Calls are recorded.
Embrace by Mercedes-Benz. Your world from your car.
How may I help you?
Concierge.
Concierge. Sure. One moment while I connect you.
Please hold while you are transferred to the next available agent.
Okay.
All calls may be monitored and recorded. Hello.
Hello?
For calling Mercedes-Benz Concierge. This is how can I help you?
Hi, I'm in traffic, and I was just wondering if you can look up for me if Domino's Pizza, if they sell breadsticks. So just to really know before I go there.
Sure. Absolutely. They have bread twists. Let's see what that means. Bread twists, I guess they either come in cheese or cinnamon. So they are like breadsticks, and they have stuffed cheesy bread. Those are their two breadstick type items.
Okay. Do they have garlic twists or just the cheese?
Let me look and see. It's garlic cheese. Bread and sides. They have Parmesan bread bites, and then they have garlic bread twists and Parmesan bread twists. So it's not cinnamon. Parmesan garlic in the twists, and then they have Parmesan bread bites that are like little pieces of bread.
Great. If I want to go there and order, could you put the order in for me and I'll pick it up?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to. What location are you interested in?
So it would be...
Okay, and that's...
Yep.
So just let me know what you'd like, and I'd be happy to call over there and tell them you're coming in, Mr.
Thanks. I'll have the garlic twists that we just found, and then I'll have an extra crispy pizza with light cheese.
So it's just your one ingredient pizza, extra crispy with white cheese?
Yeah, it's like the thin crust, or I think it's like thin crust.
Okay.
And then the breadsticks, and that's it.
Okay. I will give them a call and put that order in for you, put it under your name.
All right.
Do you need me to send that address over to your navigation system, or have you already got that?
I don't have it yet. That would be great.
Okay, good. Okay, I will send it over to you right now. And this is the Domino's Pizza.
Actually, matter of I know where that is. You don't have to send it.
Okay. Okay, well, is there anything else that I could do for you?
That'll do it.
Okay. Well, thank you for giving us a call at Mercedes-Benz Concierge Stay, Mr. If you do decide you'd like us to help you with a research project or any of the many multitude of things we do, just give us a call back. We'd be happy to help.
Certainly. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
All right, well, that was pretty neat, I gotta say. So you press this button here to hang up. I mean, she just said, I don't know if she was like, I don't know, like joking around or anything, but she said help you with the research. I don't know, maybe I asked too much today. I don't really know. But anyway, I thought that's pretty neat. Like I remember when I was a kid, like I used to like, you watch, well, I mean, that was kind of like way before me, but I don't know. You think about like old shows like the Jetsons and stuff like that. Not like, I mean, that was like way before my time. But just like I don't know, like what did we watch? I don't know, like friggin' Dexter's Laboratory, like stuff like it's just like a cool thing that like I can't even believe that works. You just press a button and they just order you pizza, which I think is pretty neat. And then I think this other button up here, like this one with the wrench, I think if you break down, you press that and then they send a tow truck, which is also cool. But anyways, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna drive to Domino's and we're gonna go in and we're gonna see if they have my pizza, and we're just gonna see what happens with that, see if we can go get some pizza. So let's go ahead and start this sucker up, and we'll resume when we get the pizza. All right, talk to you soon. All right, so we're here at Domino's. I just picked up the pizza. I mean, I legit feel like Kevin McAllister in Home Alone. Actually, no, Home Alone 2. Like, he gets the pizza, he's like getting in the limo, and they go to the toy store, he just has them, have it already ready when he comes out of the Plaza Hotel. I mean, we're not at the Plaza Hotel, but I do have it here. We got, let's go ahead and just check this out before we get out of the parking lot. All right, let's take a look. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Breadsticks. How we looking? Come on, open up. Yeah, it's looking good. I like the looks of that. All right, we'll get this packaged up and we'll get on our way. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty cool. I gotta say, like that. I mean, at least I don't know. Maybe I think it's pretty cool. Anyways, we'll go ahead and get this thing fired up and get on our way. But other than that, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. But until then, that'll do it. Thanks for watching.